65, into the 65 and 7. What a nice car. I got 65 and now 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I got 65, asking 7. I got 65, into the 65 and 7. I get 65, I'm asking $7,000 for it. I got 65, I'm asking 7. I got 65 and 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I got 65 and 7. It's gonna go, guys. What a nice car. I got 65. The other one's not gonna go like this, I'll tell you that right now. I got...
It's not ready to go. $750, $725 now, $750 and a 50 with a 50, $75 and a 5 and a 5 and a 5 and a 750, $775, $750 now, $775, $750 now, $775, $800, $800 now, 8, make it 8, go 8 now, 8 and 8, make it 8, go 8 now, 8 now, 8 and 775 now, 8 now, 825. 800 is a bit now, 825 and a 5 and a 5 and a 825. She says she's done now, 8 now, 825. Sold $800. Bidder number
26.
26 is my buyer. Put it on 26. Thank you very much. That's fun.